and it comes into, let's use our measles virus case. The naive T cell comes into the lymph node, the draining lymph node from the respiratory tract, where measles virus is now present because the dendritic cells from the respiratory mucosa have captured that measles antigen and have brought it into the lymph node. Now, you probably all have gone through that part where I asked you about the structure of the lymph nodes and all of that, right? So you know that the dendritic cells take the antigens from the tissues, like measles virus from the tissues, and bring it to the paracortical area of the lymph node, right? And then the T cells are coming in from the blood, the blood supply to the lymph node. The T cells are in the blood. They cross over between the endothelial cells in the lymph node, and they wander to the paracortex. And then there, they're looking at all, they're going up and down the membrane of the dendritic cell, looking for antigen to which they're specific. And here is a naive T cell that found the antigen to which it's specific. So this is the TCR right here. Here's measles virus antigen in red right there. That's the class 2 molecule that the dendritic cell, uses to present the antigen. This is CD4, right? And here's our co-stimulatory molecules. All right, and then there's some cytokines that go between the dendritic cell and the T cell. And these cytokines instruct this naive cell as to what type of helper T cell it's going to behave. It will behave like. All right, so the first thing this helper T cell is, the first thing it's going to do is make the decision about whether it's going to be Th1, 2, or 17, and then it proliferates. So cytokines that instruct it to be, let's see.
Bless you.
Okay. So here's our naive T cell, our N for naive CD4 cell. Okay, so that's our naive CD4 cell. If the dendritic cell secretes IL-12, then this naive cell will become a Th1 cell.
Oh, we learned this last year.
Yeah, right. Now, if there are other cells in the area, and this dendritic cell is not secreting IL-12, but other cells in the area are secreting, say, IL-4, then this naive cell will become a Th2 cell. Right. I agree. If other cells in the area are secreting IL-6 or TGF and TGF-beta, that's transforming growth factor beta. So IL-6 plus transforming growth factor beta secreted by other cells in the area, then this will be a Th17 cell. TGF-beta. TGF-B or TGF-beta.
What did you say, IL-4, these two?
IL-4 for Th2s.
Okay, thank you.
So IL-4, it's going to be a Th2 cell.